Thank you for tuning in. Today, I'm about to add some clip-ons onto my bike. When you look at the bike real quick, you see this side is higher than that side. That's because last time I low-sided, this one got bent down. So I'm about to replace them. I got them online. They weren't that much. They were a decent price. And let's try to install them. I'm going to remove the key, put it in the back real quick. And also this needs to come off. Loose. There should be a washer on this. Washer. Make sure you put them together. Lose them. Then we're gonna have to loosen. This is a 12 mil. That's right here. You have to disconnect that. Once you remove it, you get like a rag to put on top. I'm using a t-shirt, the t-shirt right there, so I can lay it right on top. This is also a 12. And you just pull, should be easy to come off. Get another rag, just put it in here so it doesn't scratch your paint. Now to remove this, we have to remove this right here, and that comes off, and there's like a Phillip right there. You can remove that. That comes off, and you just slide it out. It's a Phillips screwdriver. Remove. One right here and there's one right there. That should come loose. Boom. Comes apart. Just like that. Slide. Alright. I just can't see, it just keeps spinning. this one out. So for the clip-ons, I decided to go with Vortex because it's a good brand. And it comes with a sticker, plugs, of course, and the bars. So I'm gonna get it, put it together, and then show y'all. And this is what it looks like. So this is how I have it. Like that. So this is what I ran into. This has a hole right there, and the clip-on does not have that. And that locks in to that. So I'm gonna have to cut this off, put this back on the clip-on. Using a plier, cut that off. So you have 2 screws right here to lock this up, and 2 screws right here to adjust it however you want. You can make it shorter, longer. I prefer mine this way. This is my first time trying it. I'm gonna try it this way first. If I don't like it, I can always move it. Two Phillips screws. Now I'm just gonna put everything back. This is how the bike look with the clip-ons. I like it so far. And here's the main reason why I changed it. This is the left side, and this is the right side. See how it's bent right there? So that's the main reason why I changed it. But it's looking a lot nicer. Can't wait to take it for a test ride. More videos coming. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.